And when I started doing this project, I think I just started thinking about art more than doing art, because in general I have problem with identification. I am an artist, or I don't know, whatever group that you feel that you belong. And also it's like a lot of stereotypes about artists and artwork, so I kind of tried to think about it and express these worries and also worries of others. The space that I wanted to create is kind of a safe space for artists, like in a way like therapy setting, because I think that in general, like in all professions, when usually you talk for your artwork, or when you have to, I don't know, to pitch for something, for some project, or to present your ideas, you should be really, really good to be somewhere. So it's not so much space to be vulnerable. I wanted to create these talking sessions with people that are working in the art field, especially artists, and to be some kind of like group therapy setting, like Alcoholists Anonymous, because I think that also making artwork, or being engaged, it's a bit like some kind of addiction, since it could be many times like also self-destructive, but also it's like you deal with a lot of issues that you are also self-medicating yourself while doing it, but also exploring yourself.